If your GOG Galaxy sync is failing, stuck, or refusing to update, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step. We'll cover how to force the launcher to update manually, how to deal with a game update that keeps looping or failing, and how to change the temporary update folder so GOG has more room to work with. These are simple fixes, but they solve a lot of the most common sync and update problems for GOG Galaxy users. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, if the GOG Galaxy launcher itself is not updating automatically, you want to fully close it before doing anything else. Sometimes the app looks closed, but background processes are still running and blocking the update. So press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Details tab and look for any remaining GOG Galaxy processes. If you see them, right-click each one and choose End Process. This makes sure the launcher is completely shut down, not just minimized or hidden. After that, open your browser and go to the official GOG Galaxy webpage. From there, download the latest web installer. This is the safest way to force the update over your existing files without having to uninstall everything first. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it and follow the on-screen prompts. In many cases, this will repair the launcher and bring it up to the latest version. Now, if the problem is not the launcher itself, but a specific game update that is stuck in a loop or keeps failing, the issue is often related to disk space or a corrupted temporary cache. The first thing to try is changing the temporary directory. Open GOG Galaxy and click the Settings icon, which is the cogwheel in the top left corner. Inside Settings, go to Installing, Updating, then find Temporary Game Update folder. By default, this may be using a drive that is low on space. Change it from the default location to a custom folder on a different drive that has plenty of free storage. This gives GOG a better place to store temporary update files and can immediately fix update failures. After changing the folder, let GOG try the update again. If the game still will not update properly, the next step is to verify the game files. In your library, click the problematic game, then click the Options icon next to the Play button. From there, select Manage Installation, and then choose Verify or Repair. This tells GOG Galaxy to cross-check your install files against the official version and automatically fix anything broken, missing, or corrupted. That process can take a few minutes depending on the game size, but it is one of the best ways to fix update loops and sync issues. Once it finishes, try launching the game or checking for updates again. In most cases, one of these steps will get GOG Galaxy syncing properly again. To recap, if the launcher itself is stuck, fully close it with Task Manager and reinstall the latest web installer. If a game update is failing, change the temporary game update folder to a drive with more space, then verify or repair the game files. These are the fastest and safest fixes to try before moving on to anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.